Wenjo Rokin Machinery Company Limited is an entrepreneurial technology enterprise. We are professional manufacturer of full automatic paper bag machine, square bottom paper bag machine, V bottom paper bag machine, PP woven valve bag machine, sheet feeding paper bag machine, and related auxiliary equipment, etc. We have many professional engineers who have more than 20 years' experience in the packaging equipment manufacturing industry. The purpose of our company is to provide customers the intelligent packaging equipment, professional technical and service consultation. The company will uphold the core values of tolerance is big, Jitian is male. High starting point, high requirements, the implementation of a sound, modern enterprise management system, production process ERP management system, full of warmth, vitality, and high cohesion is our company corporate culture. Therefore, we have obtained many certificates and patents such as Practical New Type Patent Certificate, Design Patent Certificate, Invention Patent Certificate, CE, Information Technology Service Management System Certificate. We have cooperated with more than 150 countries and areas such as USA, Canada, England, Spanish, Romania, Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Oman, United Arab Emirates, Algeria, Sri Lanka, Russia, Ukraine, Colombia, Peru, Argentina, India, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Thailand, etc. We are trying to build a harmonious, energetic, and centralized enterprise culture and take talents as the foundation and technology as the carrier of our company. Our company are working hard to be pioneer in technical innovation and adhere to the spirit of craftsmanship.